Good Tuesday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern. We're still at level 2 for the risk for a strong storm. Yesterday we were lucky. We had some thunderstorms around the region, but they all stayed. They behaved themselves. So let's hope that the same stays true today. But we will call it another weather-aware day just to be safe. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Showers and thunderstorms likely today. We have a front that's approaching, and it'll be kicking up some southwest winds too. So we'll call it a windy day. Wind gusts to 20 miles per hour possible. Highs around 80. Tomorrow, just rain likely. We might hear a rumble of thunder here and there, but just looking like a rainy Wednesday. And that's because the front that's approaching us today will stall out on us tomorrow, giving us a good chance of rain and keeping those temperatures down too, getting only up in the low 70s. More scattered showers for Thursday and getting windy again because we'll have an approach of a tropical system coming out of the Gulf. And then that system will cause rain showers to increase as we go through the day. And then Friday looking rainy and windy. 90% chance at this point, but don't be surprised if that jumps up to 100 if that storm tracks like we think it's going to, which would be right over the top of East Tennessee. Could get some beneficial rainfall from that, at least 2 inches, maybe 3 inches or so. The system's moving along. We thought it was going to move slowly, but it looks like it's going to move along at a pretty good clip. So that'll probably keep rain amounts closer to the 2-inch mark. I'll keep an eye on that for you. Saturday, don't be surprised if rain chances drop a bit there. That part of the forecast is starting to trend drier. Still looking windy as that system pulls away, but I think things might be okay for the Homestead Apple Festival on Saturday. So fingers crossed for that. But right now, we might have a wet ground to deal with, but I think the weather itself on Saturday might work out pretty well. Premier Generators brings us our severe weather graphic, and for today, that low risk of a tornado is mainly for folks across northern Fentress County and up into Kentucky. The Storm Prediction Center, and I agree, the atmosphere up in that part of the country is a little bit more conducive for a spin up. I'm not overly worried about it, but just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. The rest of us, straight line winds, maybe some hail. Again, today's threat is very low, but not zero. And like I said, we'll call it a weather alert day just to be safe. On this day, 1950, a smoke pall from Western Canada reduced daytime to darkness across the Northeast, even turning the sun different colors, purple, blue, lavender. 1987, a storm spotter at Earp, California sighted a couple of funnel clouds, one on the California side of the state line and the other on the Arizona. Meteorologist Mark's Meteorology, lenticular cloud. We're continuing our cloud week with odd cloud names, kind of funny cloud names. And basically, lenticular clouds form when the atmosphere is very stable, but there's wind pushing air up a mountain range, and so it forces the air to rise, which forces that air to be unstable. And if that air has enough moisture in it, it can form a cloud, and it kind of looks like a UFO. In fact, people do mistake them for UFOs. And they just sit still because anywhere around them in the environment is too stable. So the cloud just evaporates. So it just kind of sits there looking like a UFO sitting on top of a mountain. So kind of an interesting situation for sure. I've seen them on the Plateau before. And if I ever see them again, I will definitely let you all know to go outside and look for those cloud UFOs or lenticular clouds, whatever you want to call it. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up. I have even more weather information in on the app and on the website, including the track of this tropical system and even more weather information for the rest of the week. I'll keep you guys updated. You keep it right here at meteorologistmark.com.